This is my 5 people audience. Okay, so on July 3, 2018, I was preparing a torta de asada. As some of you may know, a torta de asada contains some condiments such as lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, and avocado. I have put everything on my torta besides the avocado. Therefore, I cut my avocado in half and proceeded to take out the seed or stone. While doing so, I stabbed my hand with the knife. The knife had gone through the avocado into the palm of my left hand. My blood started to come out the same way lava comes out of an avocado. I started screaming and crying. Eventually, I calmed down and put pressure on my hand and rushed to the hospital. Unfortunately, I lost some function of my left hand since I damaged one of my nerves. This is what is known as an avocado hand. Today, I am going to talk about why an avocado hand is dangerous. They cause permanent damage to your hand, and therefore we should learn how to correctly take out a seed from an avocado. Avocados should come with label warnings, and they should come seedless. First, I am going to explain what is an avocado hand. Second, I am going to discuss what causes an avocado hand. And thirdly, I am going to provide some ways on how to avoid an avocado hand. Avocado hands are dangerous. They are injuries that are reportedly on the rise. These injuries are serious. According to Daily Mail 2017, it is a very painful injury that would need an injection to numb the area when a patient comes in, but there are a lot of nerves in the fingers. The message is this is dangerous and they need to be careful. When we injure our hand, we can damage a tendon or nerve that may need extensive hand surgery, and where we may or may not regain hand function. In my case, I damaged one of my nerves and ligaments. Therefore, it is hard to stretch on my hand, and my index finger is now numb and tingly. Now that you know what an avocado hand is, we are now going to talk about what causes an avocado hand. According to the Independent, May 11, 2017, avocado hand injuries are much worse than just small cuts. Avocado hand can happen if a person doesn't realize how ripe their avocado is when cutting it through, or they just do not know how to take out a seed, and for example, in my case. Usually when we slice an avocado, we cut it with our dominant hand and may damage our non-dominant hand. Accidentally slicing yourself instead of your avocado can cause serious damage to nerves and tendons in the hand, where some patients reportedly never regain full use of their hand. According to U-Wire Text 2017, these injuries are so bad that people are ending up in the emergency room. Now that you know what causes an avocado hand, I am going to provide some ways on how to avoid an avocado hand. According to the Times, a solution has been found to avocado hand. The stash ones caused by failed attempts to remove the fruit stone in the form of a variety without a pit. There are proper ways to slice an avocado. According to U.S. News 2017, we have to place the avocado down horizontally and slice it into the same way with your hand on top. Next, twist the avocado to get it to 2 halves. You then remove the pit by putting the avocado in a towel and cutting into to get it stuck on the knife, followed by twisting it to get it out. We have to avoid cutting the avocado with our hand. Instead, we have to cut it while cutting it on the cutting board. Also, according to Critical Mention 2017, we must sharpen our knives because it's more accurate, and it's the dual knives that lead to injuries. It's not always about learning how to cut it. However, it is also about warning people. According to Hartlepool 2017, eminent plastic surgeon has suggested that avocados should carry warning label following a rise in the number of knife injuries from cutting it into the fruit. We don't want to put people off the fruit, but I think warning labels are an effective way of dealing with this. It needs to be recognizable. Perhaps we could have a cartoon picture of an avocado with a knife and a big red cross going through it, or even so having an avocado without a stone. According to News Shopper in December 9, 2017, M&S is helping to reduce the epidemic of avocado hand by selling a stoneless version. A stoneless version can really benefit those who love avocados. Today we learned about the dangers of avocado hand. First, we talked on why avocado hands are dangerous. Second, we talked about what causes an avocado hand. And thirdly, we discussed some ways on how to prevent avocado hands. Incorrect handling of an avocado can land you in the ER with a damaged hand. So next time you're going to take the stone out, remember to use a flat surface, run the knife gently through the skin and around the pit, and then carefully remove the stone with a towel or the blade of a knife. Don't become just another avocado statistic.